Hey, what's up everyone? Today DataSun would like to show you the new feature from Power Automate. With this new feature, you can describe the flow you want and AI builds it for you. Microsoft claims that they use the state-of-art AI models like GPT-3, which can take natural language to create flow. So let's test it now. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so that you can receive more tips in the future. Thank you. Now let's click onto the icon, and here you can see it asks us to describe our flow in everyday words, and here are some hint text. Below we also have some more examples, and we can also try other description. For example, here we have a Power BI report, and we want this report to be refreshed whenever there is a new row added to the data source, which is the sharepoint list. So we can describe our flow here, refresh Power BI. So when new row is added to SharePoint list. And you see there is a suggested flow pop up, and it looks good. We can click next. And we click next after the connection, and we point to the sharepoint list of the data source, and we select the list name. In this case it is Power BI 1, and then we select the Power BI workspace. In this case it is my workspace, and then the Power BI dataset with the refresh Power BI with flow, and then we click create flow. And now we click save. And it says that your flow is ready to go. We recommend you test it. So now we can test it. So let's say here we add a new item. So let's say we add a region Africa, and then a country here, let's say South Africa, and click save. So we have this new item, and then we go to here, we click refresh. So at the moment in this list we only have one country in Africa, which is Algeria. Now we click refresh. Try again. Here, as you can see now, we have Africa, South Africa country, and we can go into our flow to see the history of the flow run. And here you can see the flow run successfully with the status succeeded in 517 milliseconds. So now with this new feature, you can easily and quickly build a flow. We hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips. Thank you.